OfferMarket is an agentless real estate marketplace. If you're looking to sell your home, you probably want to avoid expensive fees. In order to get the best price, you want to make buyers compete. And you probably want to close fast and not have to deal with any headaches. And that's exactly what we offer when you sell your property on OfferMarket. So let's jump right into creating a free listing. From the home page, click List for Free. Enter your property address, your listing price, and the best phone number to reach you at. Once you submit, you'll receive a text message with a link to activate your listing. Once you activate, you'll be able to optimize your listing, and your listing will be distributed to our network of thousands of qualified buyers within 24 hours. So let's take a look at what a free listing looks like here on OfferMarket. So here's the property. We have the asking price. If I'm a buyer, I can schedule a tour. And when I'm ready, I can submit an offer. We like to set expectations around 15 days to receive the most competitive offers. So once offers are submitted, they're presented to you. If you accept it, you can move forward with the transaction. We coordinate all of the paperwork and facilitate all of the title work through our platform. And so that's basically it. Selling your house has never been so easy. OfferMarket is the agentless real estate marketplace, and we'd love for you to work with us. So just remember, if you're trying to list for free, go to offermarket.us.